Well, you can make it do spins by pressing the top buttons. Yeah. Up today.
What's this book control?
This is called the Bezgar TD205 remote control vehicle.
We don't have those.
Yeah, those are the other cars from Bezgar, but today we're talking about the TD205. Comes with this charging cable, instructions, a sheet. Let's see what else is in here. Ugh. Whoa, look at it, right here. Wow, look at that car. Look at the wheels. Look at those.
Was those spiky wheels?
No, those are like little rollers. You think they're like spiky wheels? Ooh, it's 4-wheel drive. That's pretty cool.
What's those things are called?
So they can spin all around. Let's put the batteries in it and check it out. What do you think?
And see what it does.
Yeah, see what it does. Here is the machine. You simply turn it on right here. And look at all those cool lights that are flashing. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Well, they're flashing everywhere. And here's the remote.
They're flashing on the rooms.
And we're turning the remote on. And let's hit demo mode first. See what all the things it does. Are you ready to hit demo mode?
Yes.
Whoa! You can go sideways. Wow, it just spins in circles. That's a lot of fun. This thing's wild. This is a great gift, I think. It's going wild, isn't it?
Oh, there's red right there.
Yeah.
Is that a red thing?
It is red. It has red lights and blue lights and green lights.
I see a play outside. Play outside.
Okay, let's go outside.